All right, we're at the Wolverine garage today and we're putting new shocks, Monroe shocks. We're replacing the Monroe shocks that are on the back of the 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe. This is a Z71 edition. So it basically just has standard shocks on it. And what we're going to do is we've removed the spare tire to get access to it. We'll also remove the heat shield that is underneath here. But the first step was opening up the access to the tools that are in the back and lowering the spare tire. So you'll see this is the end that goes into the spare tire. There's a tube back here. I just punched out this access hole in the back with a screwdriver, and then as you turn and raise, the spare tire will lower to the ground, and then you just push the thing through the middle. And we've also jacked up the vehicle. So this is what we're going to replace. These shocks are factory original. It's 2017. Put a little PB blaster, let it soak on those bolts. Should be a 21mm bolt. And then it may make it easier to access it by removing the heat shield that's protecting it. And as you can see, the other thing is removing the piece here should assist with getting access to that as well. So we're going to go ahead and pull the heat shield off, and we're going to pull the guard off, and then we'll be able to get to the shocks a little easier. What is wrong with this GoPro? Oh man. It's flashing red and the battery's dead.